Hey, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about Help a Reporter Out. If you're not familiar with it, I really recommend signing up for it. It's at helpareporter.com. And what they do is 3 times a day they send you media queries of guests for television shows, quotes for magazines, high-ranking blogs, interviews. It is how you grow your digital footprint. You know that somebody's going to Google you before they work with you. So if they Google you and you're on the first 5 pages of Google, first 2 pages of Google with things like Forbes, Huffington Post, InStyle Magazine, Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, whatever it is, wherever your customers are, how credible do you think that makes you look? And one of the best resources to do that is HARO, which is Help a Reporter Out. So I recommend signing up for it. It will be a big list that comes in 3 times a day. You've got to get used to it. It's got to be muscle memory, but it is so worth it. It's how I got on the Steve Harvey show, how I built a relationship with a producer, and I got on the Dr. Oz show. I've been in Forbes several times. Entrepreneur, success, it goes on and on. And when you Google Christina Daves, last time I checked, I was the first 14 pages of Google. So just imagine if you were able to do that. It is really worth putting this into your marketing cycle, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, just getting that opportunity to get that national media coverage. So I hope you sign up, helpareporter.com. And if you like this tip and you want more, please join the PR Challenge, www.yourprchallenge.com. In 10 minutes a day for 10 days, we will get you massive visibility. And I'll see you on the inside.